E6000 glue, jewels, a black hat, a bra, and a belt. You want to start on the outside of the bra, like the wires. You want to start just and work your way towards the middle, bedazzling the bra with the jewels. And these jewels were like $16. I think I got it from Hobby Lobby. Yeah, they were like $16. So. As you can see, I have put down the E6000 glue, and I now have a glue gun because the E6000 glue is like really tacky and it was taking too long to stick and dry.
1 hour later. 2 hours later.
Yo, I'm done with one cup. I still have a whole like 80% of another cup to go. Like, I have huge boobies. Like, now I always wish I had smaller ones, but now I really wish I had smaller ones. Like, come on, bro. 6 months later. This is the finished look. So you probably can tell I'm kind of feeling myself like I'm that bitch. Like, you know, like, it's me. Like, I don't even know why you girls bother. I could fall in love with you. Do not laugh at me. I'm trying my best. Do not laugh at my singing. And I'm silly as freak, so do not laugh at me, okay? Yo, I freaking nailed that Selena move right there. Baby, I could fall in love with you, baby. I could fall in love. Okay, so you get it. This is the do-it-yourself Selena inspired